Hi everyone! So today I just want to talk about a new product from Olay. It's a 2-in-1, a day cream and a serum. I love it. I bought it recently and I realized that there weren't many reviews on YouTube about the product, so I did want to make my own. First off, I just wanted to show you the packaging. This is what it looks like. You can kind of see. And that's the side. Back. What this product does, it's supposed to be a 2-in-1. It's an anti-wrinkle serum and day cream. It does go on very nice and smooth. I really like the product. The only downside that I found of it was that it doesn't have SPF. One thing about daytime products is that I love to use an SPF, and I kind of like to include it in my moisturizer or my makeup, but on the days that I forego wearing makeup, I do like for my moisturizer to have an SPF. I don't like to put on additional products during the day just because I don't like the way it makes my skin feel. And plus, in Florida, it's very, very hot and muggy, so it just kind of melts off. All the product melts off your face. So that was one thing, that was one negative that I found about it. One thing that I did like about it is that the consistency, as you can see there, is very, very smooth, and it goes on really nice and creamy, and it kind of gives like a pretty luminosity, and the finish is really pretty too. So it's kind of, it's a little bit luminous. It takes about just a few seconds for it to dry on your skin, but once it's dry, it's like it provides a nice base. And what I like about this product is you can actually, I did it. I skipped the primer, and I just went onto my cosmetics. I just went on putting foundation and my blush and just layering eye makeup and the rest. One thing that I did find about this product that I really did love is that after I washed my face, my skin felt so much smoother. And the only other product that I've used that, it feels like that is the Trish McEvoy serum that they have. It's an expensive serum. It's $125. Now that serum compared to $12.49 at Target, I mean, it's kind of, no-brainer to go with the Olay 2-in-1. One thing that I do love about this serum, and that I think that most girls with my skin tone would love, I have very combination skin. My cheeks are very dry, but I have an oily T-zone. I think people with my skin tone would really appreciate it because it kind of evens it out, makes everything nice and mattified, but still providing moisture. It's not greasy, and I love that. If you guys have any questions about the product, go ahead and email me or leave a comment below, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. Thanks. Good luck.